While I was painting my propeller one early evening, I got a call from Gilson. A catamaran had drifted into Simon's ketch, a boat he was looking after while Simon was away.
Got a situation here. This guy Lucas, who has a catamaran, and this other Sun Odyssey boat, his anchor drifted, and he's hitting Simon's boat. I don't know if I could do anything, but that's what it looks like. His anchor drifted, man. There's been a few gusts of wind, and that's how it is here in Mindelo, man. Oh shit, it's hitting, dude. Oy.
After a few more phone calls, a group of us took dinghies to help.
We saved Lucas's boat. Yeah. Hey, Brun. What do you think, Lucas? Thank you for the beers. Yeah. Cheers. Good job, huh? Yeah.
We had taken out a bunch of fenders and let out more anchor line to clear the boats from each other. But then quickly Lucas came, re-anchored, and wisely added another anchor.
At a moment like that, they will never come and taxi. That's the golden rule. You wait home and I got the bus.
He later thanked us generously, and we are now close and dependable friends. Such is a moment in life for those of us sailors stuck here. Not bad. Our friend Peter is about to leave, so we decided to organize a little fest for him before his departure across the Atlantic back to Canada. We rented this house out in Bahia de Gatas, so she took on the cooking, here making a Cape Verde garlic and herb sauce. As well, he had marinated fish and chicken to put on the grill. Fanny missed being grill master, but appreciated Sushi's work. Looks like we'll be waiting here for a while, so we decided to celebrate while we were preparing. We tested Sushi's grill work and then got creative. Eventually, Peter and Lily came. They were a little bit out of sight, but we were also given a performance from Sushi and Maurizia. A couple of days later, it was finally time to go. Peter and Ayrton filled the gas and water tanks.
Hot as hell today. I mean, we're dreaming about a fresh breeze out of Canada.
It's summer in Mindelo. The winds drop and it does feel much hotter. After many months of punishing winds, this weather is really welcome.
Well, Alex, ciao. See you in a while.
Now help us push off our boat.
Well, it looks like Peter and Ayrton are finally leaving.
Well, there they go.
I will miss you, ciao.
Be careful on your back, be careful on the back.
Come on.
You'll be all right.
No, push it.
You'll be all right.
Ciao, Alex.
Ciao, guys.
We're gonna miss you.
Yeah,
See you soon.
me too. Miss you too, man.
They'll be sailing west to Nova Scotia, literally sailing off into the sunset.
Bye.
It will probably take them about 3 weeks or more. Once there, they'll have to wait out quarantine in Canada, and then Peter will settle some affairs in British Columbia and head back here to Cape Verde. He's left someone behind. She and I will be waiting, so hopefully we can set off to adventures in Africa together. Now I've got to continue caring for Galopin. The seawater faucet had been leaking, and now I know why. Everything had corroded. Bolts were stuck, so I took out the angle grinder. I asked around for a plumbing store and came here. The staff did their best to find me materials to adapt and make a new faucet. They also wanted to see my YouTube channel.
82 episódio.
What?
Help me, man. I think I can fix my sink now. Thank you. Obrigado.
Then I remembered something.
Something comes to mind that I had an extra one of these faucets because I had a second bathroom that we took apart. And I don't remember, but I'm going to look through these spare parts that I have in here. Oh my God, yes! I had an extra one. That's so cool. Because the bits I got from the plumbing store just didn't fit in here, man. Never throw away stuff, man, when you have a boat. Always keep spare parts. You never know when you're going to need them. And I'm really glad that I thought ahead for this. So I'm going to just clean it up and make sure that it is nice and decorroded and install it. This is awesome. I'm so happy.
I had another problem. My seawater pump was not springing back as it should. I could replace the unit, but I must watch my expenses. So I came up with a Cape Verdean solution, using elastic bands I had on board. It works, as you can see. And now I will explain what a Cape Verdean solution is. Check out these flip-flops. Both right foot have a broken strap. But once my friend Mauricia asked me for a screwdriver for her flip-flops. I was like, what? But look, guess what? It works. I almost dismissed this valuable footwear. Instead, I learned a valuable lesson. Authorities had told me it's okay to take one's boat out, to test it out in the bay. So Peixe and I organized an outing to test out Galopin. We invited his sister Jussara and girlfriend Jessica to help out.
Yeah, so we're back out on the boat, back out with Galopin. He's super happy. It's been a long time since he's been out. Peixe cleaned his hull a couple days ago. Gilson fixed the Cutlass bearing. And we've been testing out everything with Peixe's sister, Jussara, and Jessica. Peixe's friend. And it's great to be back out, man. What?
Oh man, what a feeling to be back on the open sea. It was not a usual summer day. Winds were much stronger than normal at this time of the year. That being said, this is how conditions are most of the time out here. I had once commented to Jussara how sailing in a canal was not for girls. Offended by my machismo comment, she firmly commented back, "Why not?" So we promised one day to show her what we meant. And today, I think she got the picture and was not so offended anymore. After beating into the wind for a while, we took a slight turn to go downwind. It would be a little easier on the girls, as they were surprised how rough the sea was.
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
Then I made a poor decision. I decided we should jibe. I had not trimmed the mainsail enough, and when the boom went over hard, the bracket up on the mast snapped and the lazy bag dropped open on the starboard side. I secured the lines as best as possible so that we could continue. We decided to go and anchor at a protected bay that we know, and there repair the line on the mast. It was still rough, and Jussara got her first sailor's baptism. One moment or another, a whale will slap you in the face. And if you take it with a smile, you passed an important sea trial. Jessica took cover, and Jussara did just fine. Welcome to the ocean, baby.